Ipinagdiwang ng Chinese community sa Southeast Asia kabilang ang Singapore at Malaysia ang Dragon Boat Festival nitong Lunes, ika-10 ng Hunyo bilang pag-alaala sa tanyag na Chinese poet na si Hu Yuan. Sa pangunguna ng Singapore-Philippines Association o SPA at Malaysian Chamber of Commerce and Industry o MCCI, ang naturang festival ay siya ring ginunita dito sa Pilipinas. Bukod sa kasaysayan nito, ay binahagi ni MCCI President Hau Han-Wei ang kahalagahan ng paggunita ng festival sa kasalukuyan.
So it's a kind of activity that united people together, that to show the appreciation and gathering. So I hope this event, will bring more people, especially the foreigners, to get together to celebrate and do the networkings.
Nagbigay rin ng mensahe si Singapore Ambassador to the Philippines, Her Excellency Constance Sy, kaugnay ng kaganapan.
This is a very important traditional festival celebrated amongst the Chinese communities. But nowadays, whether in Singapore, Malaysia, or here in the Philippines, we're celebrating it as an occasion for all of us to get together, strengthen our bonds of friendship, and to stay connected with each other. And I wish everybody a very healthy, happy Dragon Boat Festival, and may our friendships continue to flourish between Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Thank you.
Dumalo at sumuporta rin sa pagsasalo-salong ito si Malaysia Ambassador to the Philippines, His Excellency Dato Abdul Malik Melvin Castellino, na nagbigay din ng mensahe. Para sa Wine Toast, pinangunahan naman ito ni SPA President Andrew Ko, Taiwan Ambassador to the Philippines Wallace Mingan Chow, Anti-Red Tape Authority Director General at Secretary Ernesto Perez, Malaysia Ambassador His Excellency Melvin Castellino, Singapore Ambassador Her Excellency Constance Sy, MCCI President Hau Han-Wei at MCCI Chairman Edward Ling. Gaya ng nabanggit ng mga delegado, ang kaganapang ito ay isang oportunidad upang mapatibay ang samahan sa pagitan ng mga bansang kasapi, gayon din ang mapalawak ang ugnayan at pagkakataon upang lubos na magkakilala ang bawat isa. Dagdag pa rito ay isa rin itong magandang pagkakataon para mapalawak ang koneksyon ng mga negosyo sa bansa na may kaugnayan sa kaunlaran ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Samantala sa kamakailang insidente sa ilang Malaysian nationals na nabiktima ng kidnap for ransom na kinasasangkutan ng 4 na pulis sa Pilipinas, tiniyak ni Hau Han-Wei na hindi kinakailangang matakot ng mga turista, gayon din ng mga Malaysian national na nakabase sa Pinas. Dahil ayon sa kanya,
we are urging all the Malaysians who are doing business or work in the Philippines to really register with the Malaysian Embassy in the Philippines so that Embassy are aware there is a Malaysian who work and do business here. So in case of any issue, we can, our police attaché located in the Philippines can give them their assistance.
Sa kabilang banda, naging masaya at makabuluhan ang kaganapan kung saan napuno ng kasiyahan ng events place dahil sa iba't ibang putahing inihapag, live band performances at raffle ticket prizes. Princess Castro, nag-uulat para sa One Media Network.